it's Chris Wink with C21 Trophy Class, and today we get to introduce to you 1044 Tenderfoot Court, Whitehall, Michigan. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom sits on just under an acre, and as we transition into the home, Alex Hoffman will give you some more details.
All right, guys, as we move from the outside to the inside of this exceptional home, we're greeted by beautiful cherry hardwood flooring that kind of flows into the open kitchen and living room concept. And then to top it off, you still have a large fireplace that is the focal point of this room. As we transition from the living room and kitchen concept to the dining room, you're greeted by 16-foot vaulted ceilings and port windows that let in an abundance of natural light into that room. As you walk into the front door and head to the easterly side of the home, you're greeted by a 2-bed, 1-bath setup. And as you head to the western portion of the home, you have a 1-bed, 1-bath primary suite, as well as a main level laundry with access to your 2-stall garage. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget, if you enjoyed it, you like the home, make sure to contact either Chris Wink or I for a private showing. We'll make sure to leave the contact information below on the screen. If you enjoyed the content and would like to see more like it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep you guys updated. Don't forget to have a great day.